Hello. Today we are going to practice pain and help. First, pain. Watch me. Pain. Now together. Pain. Again. Repeat after me. Pain. Now practice help. Watch me. Help. Now together. Help. Again. Repeat after me. Help. Good job.